everyone, Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. How are you doing today? This is Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. The market closed about 16 minutes ago. Thought I'd get this YouTube video out there. I also want to remind members of Hit and Run Candlesticks and Right Way Options, that includes trial members of Hit and Run Candlesticks and Right Way Options. I will be doing a webinar tonight at 8 p.m. in the member combined room. We're going to be looking at some gold charts and talking about them a little bit more. And that's what I've got today for some trade ideas. So if you'd like to join in and you've not had a trial before, you can click on our trial membership down below and join in tonight. We sure would like to have you. Alrighty, let's take a look at some charts. Let's start with a SPY real quick. So far today, it's been a nice, well today, so far it's been a fairly organized pullback here. While the sellers had control the last couple of days, I think overall the buyers still have control. We closed ever so slightly below the T-line, it looks like. Overall, I'm still a little bit to the bullish side. I'm not ready to be buying yet. I didn't buy a doggone thing today. Just not ready. And I'm just not sold on being short right now either. So just kind of taking it easy here. Let the market give me a little bit more information. Netflix reported today. And let's do this here. There we go. Netflix reported, and you can see that it's down pretty good here. So this certainly might affect tomorrow just a little bit. We'll have to watch that, but I do think we should be a little bit cautious. Let me change this back here. There we go. VXX, looking at the risk here, or the fear in here, you can see that we're up above the T-line. Now, I've got two lines drawn here. Right now, I'm seeing the possibility of getting to 11 and some change up here just a little bit more than 11 maybe. The chart pattern right now suggests that might happen. We just don't have enough right here to say this is turning around. Don't know that for sure, but that is something I'm looking for. Also, another place up here is about $11.65. Let's see here. Yeah, about $11.65. We'll keep an eye on that. We get through 11.7-ish, then we'll look for that up there. But we're going to need to see the follow through here, and I'm not 100% sure that that's going to happen. This is one reason I haven't traded today and didn't trade yesterday as well, just simply because we just don't have enough information to trade, and I don't want to guess on the trades. I want to have an edge, and I just don't feel I have the edge. All right, so let's take a look at some trade ideas here. I only have 5 of them tonight, so we're going to look at 5 of them, and we're going to look at a lot more tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. At the members webinar. So remember, if you're a trial member, you're a member. So if you're a trial member of Hit and Run Candlesticks or Right Way Options, come on over. Hope to see you tonight. And members, please come on over. We'll see you tonight. All right. Some gold really look good today. And we posted one, this one right here. I posted this one in the app. So anyone that has the members app with Hit and Run Candlesticks or Hit and Run Candlestick Trials, anyone who has that app, you should have received it. If you don't have the app, please get it downloaded. If you need some help, be glad to help you tomorrow, okay? But we posted this, and here, this is, let's do this here. This is exactly what I posted today. Where is it? Right here. Hang on. There it is. There we go. Copy. Let's put this in here. This is what I posted today on in the app. KGC possible trade, $7. 35 cent stop. That would have been a 1.6% risk, and we're looking at an 8.5% reward. So what we're looking for is this being the risk area here, and that being the reward area. So that could have been bought when we sent that out. It since has gone up a little bit more. So this trade, for the most part, is off the table. We would have to adjust this a little bit. And the way we would adjust it is just draw that buy box up like that, and we'll probably draw the stop up just a little bit. So tomorrow, what we may be looking for is something in this neighborhood. Yeah, we're going to go with that. So we might be looking at a 2.5, 2.8% risk. The target does not change, but because it's the candles kind of produced today, it does cut that reward down a little bit. So we'll be talking about this evening. BTG is another one that might be setting up. And right now I'm seeing approximately 16, maybe 17% reward here, actually, because we don't know where we're going to, where it would be bought at. So if it's bought down low, might get you in that 19% reward, say midway here, 17 and some change percent. As far as the buy goes, we're looking for a buy in this purple box with a stop down here, in the neighborhood of $4.95, which gives us about we'll call it 4.5% risk, a little less than that maybe. Of course, that all changes depending on where it's bought, because we'll make adjustments based on that. Another one is Nugget. Now, Doug from Right Way Options, he posted this out today as a buy. And here, let's see here. Keep an eye on the miners. Nugget setting up for an RBB 3/8 trap long. So if you are a member of Right Way Options or a trial of Right Way Options, and you have the app, you would have received this on your app. Of course, if you're in a trading room, you got it. But if you weren't in a trading room and you just had the app, then you would have picked up on that alert. Still looking great here. Nice little gap up, rally up, pull back. Doji, bullish engulf, setting up perfect 3/8 trap. Watch for that 75 area as a target. About 4.35% risk is what I see on it. And somewhere in the neighborhood of 13.5% profit. SSRM. This is a sweet looking chart here. This is an RBB setup. It's also a 3/8 trap. Great candle to take today. Terrific overall price action here. Again, the purple area, we'll look at the purple area for the buying area, and with a stop at today's low, we're looking at about 3.95% risk, and that's if it's bought at the very top. If it's bought down lower, of course, that risk is lower, and of course, that gives the reward a higher number. But just based on what we've drawn out here, not knowing exactly where we would buy it, because we don't know what tomorrow's candle or the next day's candle or the day after is going to give us. So this is the basic plan to start with on SSRM. That's what we'll be looking at. And the last one I've got here is GDX. This is setting up nice. This qualifies for my 3/8 trap. I have a kind of a wide 3/8 trap tie. Maybe I shouldn't even say 3/8 trap, just a trap in this area. And we've got a doji bullish engulf looking good. T-line's moving up. Trendicator's moving up. I'm looking at about 2.2% risk with about 8 to 8.5% reward, depending on where you buy it here. Looking pretty sharp on this. So maybe even we get a little bit more of a pullback on some of these gold, and we get better entries, which gives us a higher reward and less risk. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay. Again, If you would like to check it out tonight, the members e-learning, you can check a link below. We do have a link there for a 30-day trial. Join in. We'll see you tonight. Take care. Have a great evening.